The only Daiso in the high desert, and it's a treasure hunt. You will love this store. Cute, affordable finds. Keep watching. This place has everything. Apple Valley, you're about to see why Daiso is a problem in the best way. Okay, so we are pulling up to Daiso in Apple Valley, located in the Jess Ranch Marketplace, right off of Bear Valley Road near Apple Valley Road. First thing you'll notice is the seasonal section. And right now it's kind of giving the Valentine's Day vibe. There's umbrellas, which is funny because we're in the high desert. But listen, when it does rain up here, it rains. And then you're glad you grabbed one. This is where you'll find the cute themed stuff like little gifts, decor, fun small items. And of course, I think it changes over time, so every visit will probably feel different. Okay, now we're getting into this store has everything part. We've got pet stuff, and not just toys, but also pet accessories and even little animal beds. I mean, you're just gonna say throughout this whole store, wait, they have that too? And they also have hats and just random practical things mixed with cute things, like little home decor pieces you could toss on a shelf or a desk and it instantly looks styled. There's calendars and planners, which is dangerous because suddenly you think you're about to become the most organized person alive. And then we hit the seasonal winter items, beanies, earmuffs, scarves. So it's definitely rotating inventory based on the season. Okay, these throw pillows and accent pillows are actually so cute. This is the home refresh aisle. You grab one pillow, a little decor piece, maybe a frame, and now your living room feels brand new. And the slippers? I always get sucked into slippers. If you're like me, you'll pick one up like, do I need these? No. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna buy them anyway. Possibly. Tote bags over here. Great for everyday shopping gifts, and picture frames, and those decorative letters you can use for your DIY home projects. And notice how storage is everywhere in this store. They have bins, baskets, organizers. Like, they really want us to have our lives together, and I respect it. Now we have some kids' toys. This section has the fun little things, and then you'll see in beach and outdoor toys too. Stuff kids can play with in the sand, outside, or at the park. And I have to say this, don't skip the end caps. Daiso end caps are where the random gems live. You'll find the I don't know I needed this item at the end cap every single time. Okay, the garden corner, my favorite. They have the fake bamboo, fake flowers, flower pots in tons of sizes, and little garden decor pieces like the mini fencing and cute outdoor touches. I mean, this area I could get lost in. And then they have bug catchers and butterfly catchers, which makes me feel like a kid again. This section is one of those like walk slow areas because there's so much packed into one corner. Back here, you'll notice laundry baskets in the storage lining wall. Storage bins, containers with lids, containers without lids, little organizers, baskets. And if you're trying to get your house together on a budget, this is probably one of the best sections you're going to find. Okay, here we go. This is the part that helps you shop without being confused, the pricing. You'll see these pricing sheets posted all throughout the store. So what you want to do is look at your item's tag. Usually there's a number like 100, 200, 300, and you match that number to the pricing chart to see what it will ring up as. For example, this 200 on the tag, you check the chart and it will show you what the category costs in dollars at the store. Across from the pet stuff, we've got the car stuff. Sunshades, ice scrapers, little tools, all kinds of things, guys. These are the kinds of items that are super handy to keep in your trunk, and you don't have to spend a bunch to replace them. This is a gift wrap aisle and it's so good. There's gift bags, tissue paper, wrapping paper, boxes, everything to make a gift look cute without running to 5 different stores. And if you're doing birthdays, holidays, or even last minute, I forgot I needed a gift, this store is a lifesaver. Now there's crafts. There's scrapbooking, DIY, kids craft items, and look, even yarn and thread and sewing stuff. Daiso really said, whatever hobby you're into, we got you. And yes, this is a big deal because it's the first Daiso in the Victor Valley area, and a lot of people have been waiting for something like this up here. If you're coming to check it out, it's 19105 Bear Valley Road, Suite 3 in Apple Valley, California. Now this is the aisle with those random home upgrades. We got shelf liners, lighting, even backsplash style sheets, these dish towels, kitchen cloths, those boring but necessary items that you always need more of. Okay, stationery lovers, welcome home. There's notepads, pens, folders, organizers, plastic sleeves, markers. These aisles you come to just to browse, then you leave with the stack of cute office supplies you didn't plan or know you needed. If you've never been to Daiso before, it's a Japanese variety store chain. Basically like a dollar store meets Target dollar spot, but with that super cute Japanese design vibe and a ton of practical everyday stuff. And a quick little background. Daiso's roots go back to the early 1970s with a low-priced goods shop started by Mr. Yano, and the company was established in 1977 in Japan. It is known for the 100 yen shop idea, affordable items people can grab without overthinking. So today I am taking you aisle to aisle because this store truly has a little bit of everything. And yes, Daiso even has cleaning supplies, gloves, dish tools, brooms. It looks like dustpans. It looks like they may even have like little trash bag things, some more storage bins and buckets. And then, of course, even more stationery. They have tons of office supplies. These are the folders and pencil and pen holders. More notebooks. Tons of office supplies, guys. Some more stuff on the end caps. These are the click art pencils. Lots of art stuff. There's tape. I mean, there's just so much here. Some fridge magnets, some scissors. Whew, Daiso has a lot of stuff. More cleaning supplies, some gloves. I think I kind of like didn't do section by section. I just went aisle to aisle, but hey, that's okay. It's my first time here and you guys will get the gist of it. So if you need something, come check it out. And then the glassware and plates. There's different colors, different shapes, different sizes. Some of it has that cute, like Asian inspired aesthetic too. And it's honestly so fun and so awesome. They actually have so many different dish sets here, which I find is pretty amazing for it just being Daiso. And then over here, they do have more storage and more office supplies. These are where you'll find the 3-ring notebooks. More storage bins. These are like the paper holders. Great for keeping your life organized. Some coffee filters. And of course, some more kitchen stuff. These are like the organizations. We got some oven mitts, some pot holders. We got some pots and pans here, some bowls, just so many things. Some spatulas and utensils. This is so convenient. You can find multiple things here, so you don't have to keep going to different stores. Fantastic. Here's some more kitchen tools again, utensils, chopsticks, rice bowls, pasta bowls. And then food storage and meal prep containers. These are actually super useful if you're trying to prep lunches, snacks, or organize your fridge. Even camping stuff, but here is more even just random things, camping items and little travel-y things. This store has literally everything, you guys. There's baking stuff, like cookie sheet type things, like pans. Again, it's the nook and crannies in Daiso that get you. You have to look at every aisle, take your time, just browse. You'll love it. You'll probably find something you didn't even know you needed in your life. We have socks, more slippers, shoe care, travel items. Coffee mugs. And here's the baby section, little baby items and essentials. Not big here, but the practical little things. There's makeup, hair accessories, clips, scrunchies. face masks, and all kinds of scents and styles. And then, surprise, fitness and yoga stuff. This store really does try to cover everything, guys. I'm telling you. Okay. So my favorite part, the snacks and drinks. Snacks. This is where you find fun Japanese style snacks and random things you've never tried before. I did try the green apple sparkling water, and it's so good. Also, it looks like they're still stocking some shelves because they ran out of some things. So I'm definitely coming back because I want to see what else gets rotated in. And all right, we're wrapping it up, heading toward the checkout. And even up here by the front, there are still little miscellaneous items everywhere. So keep your eyes open. If you're in Apple Valley or anywhere in the high desert, I definitely recommend checking this place out, especially for gifts, home essentials, organization, and those little fun little things you find that you never even know you needed. And if you want more local walkthroughs like this, comment where I should go next. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on everything happening right here in the high desert of Southern California. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.